To fix a GE front-load washer that's not spinning, several possible reasons should be considered. These include pump-out pauses, power loss, an open dispenser drawer, or a load that's too small. If the washer is experiencing a pump-out pause, it's essential to wait for it to complete, as the appliance self-induces these pauses to allow time for water to drain after agitation. And this process typically lasts around 3 minutes. The washer will resume spinning automatically after the pause. Checking the power stability is also crucial, as any loss of power will cause the washer to stop spinning. This can be done by verifying the power line breaker, fuses, and wall outlet, and using a different appliance, such as a table lamp, to test the outlet. If the outlet is not functioning, the power supply line may need to be repaired. Additionally, ensuring the dispenser drawer is closed is vital, as the washer is programmed not to operate with an open drawer. Increasing the load size may also be necessary, as a very small load can prevent the washer from detecting it and spinning. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a GE front-load washer that's not spinning and get it working properly again.